Today we're taking a look at one of the most important new electric cars from Volvo, the all-new Volvo EX60, a fully electric midsize SUV that represents the next step in Volvo's electric future. The EX60 is built on Volvo's brand new SPA3 electric platform, which was designed only for electric vehicles. This allows engineers to optimize everything, from battery placement to interior space and driving performance. Volvo says this platform is the foundation for many future models and plays a major role in improving both efficiency and comfort. Inside, the focus is on comfort, sustainability, and intuitive controls, with carefully selected materials and a calm, uncluttered cabin layout. Technology is also a major upgrade. The EX60 introduces Volvo's next-generation digital system, with powerful computing hardware and deep software integration. A new voice assistant powered by Google's AI technology allows drivers to speak naturally to the car, helping with navigation, settings, and information without distracting from driving. As always, safety remains a core value for Volvo. The EX60 uses advanced sensors and real-time data processing to help prevent accidents and protect passengers. Under the body, Volvo also introduces new manufacturing technologies. Battery cells are integrated directly into the vehicle structure, improving stiffness and reducing weight. One of the biggest highlights is range. In all-wheel drive configuration, the EX60 is expected to offer up to 810 kilometers, or about 500 miles, of range under WLTP testing. Volvo describes this not just as long range, but as range comfort, meaning drivers should feel confident taking long trips without constantly worrying about charging. Charging speed is another key focus. Thanks to an 800-volt electrical system, the EX60 can charge very quickly at high-power DC fast charging stations. Volvo says drivers will be able to add hundreds of kilometers of range in just minutes, making long-distance travel much more practical for everyday use. Design plays a major role in the EX60's identity. The exterior follows Volvo's clean and elegant Scandinavian design philosophy. Simple lines, balanced proportions, and a modern, confident look. The EX60 is more than just another electric SUV. It represents Volvo's long-term commitment to becoming a fully electric brand and reducing environmental impact across its entire product range. With long range, fast charging, advanced software, strong safety systems, and clean Scandinavian design, the Volvo EX60 aims to set a new standard in the premium electric SUV segment.